Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Checkout Payment Gateway in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application allows businesses to integrate the checkout payment solution directly into their Odoo e-commerce platform. It supports secure, real-time card payments and enhances the customer checkout experience with a fast and reliable payment process. This integration ensures smooth transaction processing, automatic payment status update, and improved cash flow management all within the Odoo environment. So first of all, we will go into the website module. Here, under configuration, we will find a menu for payment provider. Go into that and here you will find a payment provider for checkout. Open that. Enable the state of this payment provider. Here you will find the state and Boolean. So enable the state and in the credentials, add your secret key and add your processing channel ID. Here, after entering all your credentials, you just need to save it. Now, after this, we will hop on to our payment provider and here you can see it is in enable and published state. Now, we will go into the shop, open the shop, and here you can see I have created one product in here. I just forgot to publish it, so I'm just going to publish it now. Now we are going to add it to our cart. So here you can see I have added mobile phone into my cart. Now after this we are going to checkout. So click on checkout and here you need to add your address, full name and every little detail in here. So here I am adding my details. I'm adding my apartment, state. Here I have added my state and now I'm going to save this address. So here you can see the delivery address is updated and you need to choose a delivery method in here. So after choosing that, just click on confirm. And now you need to choose a payment method. So we will be selecting checkout. So click on pay now after that. So here you can see that it is being processed. Now here you need to add your card details. So for this you need to add the cardholder name and under that you need to add the card number in here. After the card number you need to add the expiry date and security code. So after entering all this, we are just going to click on pay. And here you can see your payment is processing. And here you can see your payment is successfully processed. And now you will be redirected to the thank you page. Here you can see your order number is created. And under that you can see your payment information. You can see we have used checkout and used this much amount is paid using checkout. Now, under configuration, we will find a menu for payment transaction. Enable the developer mode and here you can see the payment transaction menu. So open that and here you can see the payment transaction we just created. Here you can see the reference, payment amount, payment method, payment provider and checkout transaction ID and every other detail. You can see that it is in confirmed state. And here you can also see a sale order is created for this. So we are just going into the sale order and here you can see the sale order which is created with our transaction. Here you can see every little detail in the chatter and also in the order lines. Now after this we will go into the webhooks and in here we will go into the payments. And we will go into the all payments and here we can see the transaction which we just did. Here you can see the details of your payment. Now here you will find a button for refund payment. So we are just going to click on refund payment and here you can see the amount and refund reference. Under that you need to enter the reason. So I am entering a reason as not appropriate. Now I'm going to click on refund payment and here you can see that your payment is refunded. Now we will go into the Odoo interface and we will go into the website. Here open the website module. Under configuration, in payment transaction, we can see a RSO1 is created for your refunded payment. Here you can see the payment, source, transaction, amount, payment method, provider, and everything in here. You can go into the payment and you can check here that it is send payment type, and you can see that it is refunded in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.